Well, greetings and welcome to another episode of 52 Puzzles. Today I have a fun puzzle for you. It's called the Tripod Lift Puzzle. And I remember this puzzle as a kid. It's a popular puzzle and a rather simple one. I would rate this a level 1 puzzle, although it does confound the sharpest minds for some period of time. What you're trying to do here, you have 4 pieces, 2 bamboo sticks essentially. This puzzle I've seen made with matchsticks and straws as well, but these are bamboo sticks. So 2 separate bamboo sticks, and then you have this piece, which is 2 sticks held together by a copper wire. So the puzzle goes like this. You form a tripod from these 2 pieces, like this. And then the challenge is, how do you lift that tripod off the table using just this stick? So you can't use your fingers, you can't use anything but this stick. And so I've known this solution to this puzzle for quite some time, so this is easy for me. But I've observed other people try to solve this puzzle, and you get a lot of, well, that didn't work. You get this. Okay, that didn't work. And all kinds of other sequences. The solution to this puzzle is actually very simple and very elegant. It's a simple exercise in physics. And I will show you the solution to the tripod lift puzzle now. If you don't want to see the solution, as always, I encourage you to turn the video off now. But if you do, here it is. So again, we form the tripod from these 2 pieces. The tripod can really be any vertical design you like. So it can be like this, it can be like this, it doesn't really matter. The solution to this puzzle is very simple. What we're going to do with this stick is we're going to push the V piece, this piece here, up forward in that direction, enough so that this singular piece drops down onto this piece that we're holding and pushing that piece forward with. And when that piece drops down onto this piece, it'll be between the V, and then we simply lift up to create a pressure point at the vortex of this tripod. And physics will do the rest. The pressure will hold all of the pieces together, and we'll be able to lift the tripod off the table. So that is a very simple solution, and it looks like this. So we come through, we push forward, that piece drops down, we come back a little bit, create the pressure, and voila, the tripod is lifted off the table. It really is just as simple as that. So there you have it, the tripod lift puzzle. It's a fun one, again, for the coffee table or the bar top. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to grow my new channel. It's called 52 Puzzles, and my intention is to bring you a new puzzle every week. I have all different levels of challenge that I enjoy as a puzzle collector, and I'll be featuring the puzzles here, like I said, at least 1 per week and maybe more. So again, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, enjoy your puzzling. Good night.